Do we have the cream in a bowl? Whoops. Hey guys, I'm Adam from Peddling Pizza. I'm gonna make you a Christmas donut. This thing came around, I did a pizza gig a few weeks back. A ring of dough, stuffed it full of loads of dirtiness and baked it, and it came out epic. So I've kind of pimped it for a little Christmas vibe, and we're gonna make it now. First off, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a Chantilly Cream, with a little bit of brandy in it. It's gonna be banging. So we're gonna take our cream, we've got 300 ml of whipping cream in here, 30 grams of icing sugar, and we've got a good shot of brandy. There's about 20 grams of brandy here. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna start on about mid-speed. We're gonna start to whack it up. We're gonna whack it up to quite high speed. Probably take about 30, 40 seconds. Erica, how's this? Like, how much do we want it?
That's good, yeah.
Yeah, it's more?
That's really good. It's gonna split if you take it too far, so it's better to go under. That's what you want. It's perfect.
So what we got? We got a nice Chantilly cream. You can get a nice dollop of that on our pizza donut at the end. Okay, so next up, we're gonna make a chocolate orange ganache. We're gonna use some nice fresh orange. Make sure it's an unwaxed one, because we're gonna use some of the zest from it. Gonna use some leftover Christmas chocolate. I've got a mix here of some milk and some dark, and some double cream. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this. Doesn't need to be exact. You're basically just making a really nice, smooth, milky, creamy chocolate sauce. Gonna just chuck our chocolate into this little cast iron dish. You want a nice little dish, something that can go into Roccbox. So we're gonna hit that with a little bit of cream. So I've got my chocolate and my cream. Gonna hit it with some orange zest. Okay, we're gonna go and shove this in Roccbox. Just turn it up a little bit. It's holding low flame. So we're just gonna leave it in there for about 30 seconds. It's just gonna start to melt the chocolate into the cream. You wanna get it just before the cream starts to bubble. And it's just starting to do that. So we're gonna take it out now. So we got the chocolate and cream mix here. I'm just gonna start to mix it together slowly. The residual heat, the heat left over from the cast iron. Gonna hit it with a little brandy. So just gonna splash a little bit of this on top and back into the Roccbox. It's on fire. There we go. Our flaming ganache. Chocolate orange, brandy, flaming ganache, ready. So we're gonna take a dough ball. This could just be your leftover dough, just a simple dough recipe. Go to gozney.com. We're gonna open it up slightly different. Don't worry about leaving a crust, and we're gonna kind of open it up long. So we're gonna open it up like this. And I said again, don't worry about the crusts. You're not looking to like maintain air. Right, we're there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna hit this with some ricotta. Oozy cheesiness, it's gonna be lovely. And we need chocolate orange. So we've got one here. Just gonna smash that open. Job done. Gonna get our segments of our chocolate orange. If you unfortunately don't have a chocolate orange like this one, then I feel bad for you. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna fold it over. I'm gonna bring it in towards me, all the way over. You wanna fully seal it. Best way to do this is just to smack it, get plenty of flour, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna bring the ring around all the way, and it's gonna join, and you're gonna basically just seal that bit there as well. Don't want this splitting when it's in the Roccbox. It will make a complete mess. Okay, that's ready to go in the oven. So let's do it. So you're gonna wanna get this so it's quite near the front of the opening. Low flame to begin with. You just wanna cook the base slowly, because it's got to cook out quite a thick amount of dough. So as it's in, we're just gonna turn it up now to about half flame. We're rocking at 400 on the dial. So we're just gonna get in, we're just gonna give it a full turn, a bit like we do with the pizza. And just like pizza, we're gonna use the peel just to check on the bottom. So we're looking for a good overall color all the way around it, a bit like when you cook a calzone in a Roccbox. So what I'm doing now, I'm just lifting it up, doming it, because the base is done, it's nicely cooked. Just getting the last little bit of color on it. All right, there we go. Donuts baked, we're gonna finish it off. So we've got our Chantilly cream we made earlier. Just gonna put a nice big dollop on the side here. Gonna hit it with the chocolate ganache, the boozy chocolate brandy ganache. So we're gonna drizzle some of that all over it. So what we've got here, we've got some a biscuit crumb. This is just some whizzed up chocolate digestive biscuits. Use whatever you've got left over. Then we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of our fresh orange zest. Okay, so that's my Christmas donut.
Wait,
for the...
you forgot the icing sugar.
Oh, more stuff. Let's do it. There we go. Let's make it snow. Now it's finished. Okay, let's cut it. Let's go. Do you want some?
What?
I'm not going to feed you, but you can have to slice. You can have to slice your own bit.
I don't think she was expecting you to.
It's like a New Year's resolution.
Wow.
You get to the gym.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. Get the full recipe at gozney.com. Made a mess.
Adam, it's time for Erica.
My sorry.
That's it.
Can we just pick that up from me? Can we just pick that up, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's wicked.
I mean, all this is going in the video.
Okay.